Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So today we will learn about the CapCut application and I will like to guide you the way how you can get muffled sound effects for your video with the CapCut. I already have this video, but my video here has no sound yet, and let's just add some sound on it. I will like to make it simple, so I will let you do a voiceover for this video. You just need to go click this audio and tap into the voiceover, and then you just need to start recording the voiceover that you want to say. How to make audio sounds muffled. How to get the muffled effects into your sound with CapCut. Okay, now I already have this sound. Let's just check it. How to make audio sounds muffled. The next task is we want to make this sound muffled, so you just need to do this instead. Go click into the audio section. Now they will bring you into this option, and then you just need to jump right away into the voice effects. And this voice effects, you just need to go click tap into the retro, and you just need to find the megaphone effects. Slide into the left side until you got this megaphone. Go click it, and this is the result. How to make audio sounds muffled. How to get the muffled. So that is the way, guys, how you can get the sound on your video with muffled effect. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you have some questions, just drop into the comments below, and let's meet again into other tutorial.